The most rewarding aspect of my work as an attorney is getting to work directly with people. I briefly worked for the DA's office in law school after deciding I wanted to do criminal work, and quickly decided that not having a personal interaction with people and having clients to work with was not for me. So I get a lot of personal enjoyment and reward out of working directly with clients and their families, even though it can be difficult that they're dealing with the most difficult, trying time in their lives. But approaching that with compassion and empathy can make it a better experience for everyone. I serve as the treasurer of the Georgia Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers, a statewide group of criminal defense attorneys. And I also serve for that organization as the chair of the parole committee. For the parole committee, I work directly with the parole board to effectuate change and communication on behalf of all incarcerated individuals, not just my clients, but as a community service. And one of our focuses there is the way the factors that the parole board uses to score individuals for parole is assessed. We're in the middle of planning with the parole board for the next changes to those factors and looking forward to that. In my work in that committee and my work for clients in parole, recently in the last year, I've been successful at changing the parole board's whole outlook on a certain offense, that offense being second-degree murder, which is a lower degree of murder, as the name implies. And the board had previously been of the opinion that individuals convicted of second-degree murder would not be eligible for parole. I have a client who was convicted of second-degree murder. The parole board told him that he was not eligible for parole based on that conviction. And in my legal research, I was able to determine and convince the parole board that they were wrong in their interpretation of the law, and that client is now eligible for parole and actually has a parole date and will be released. And that also affects all individuals in the state that were convicted of second-degree murder and did not know they would be eligible for parole, and they will be now.